Hi friends, let's see how to create unique QR code in MS Excel. Here I have some sample informations or details for creating QR code. Note the QR code add-ins will not be inbuilt in Excel, so we need to add the same in Excel first. So go to Developer tab, click on Add-ins, or use shortcut from home page, click Alt plus L plus A1, which will go to Office add-ins directly. Go to Office Stores and search for QR. Add the QR for Office. Wait for some time for loading. Once it is loaded, on the right side you get an option for creating QR code. In the drop-down option, select Custom and copy-paste the information or detail for which you need the QR code. Once you have pasted the information, the QR code will be generated automatically. You can customize your QR code, change your background color or size of code. Then click on Insert button. That's it. We have created our own QR code. I will try QR code for other sample details in Excel. Now you can print and use the unique QR code. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly like, share, comment and subscribe for more Excel videos. Don't hesitate to ask any questions, we are happy to help you out.